Now, imagine your Shopify store still made sales, even if you stopped posting on social media tomorrow. That is what starts to happen when other people, your customers and creators, promote your products for you. You have probably seen small brands where micro-influencers are tagging them everywhere, and it feels like random people are making videos about their products. Most of the time, those brands are not paying for shoutouts and they are not running ads. They set up an influencer and affiliate program, and in this video I will show you how to build one on Shopify using UpPromote. Influencer marketing works because people trust a real person far more than they trust an ad, but running it by hand is painful. You lose track of who posted what, who should be paid, and which sale came from which creator. UpPromote takes care of all of that for you. It is built 100% for Shopify, so it runs right inside your store with no messy third-party setup, and it is trusted by more than 250,000 brands. Let me show you how to set it up. Before tools like this, running a creator program by hand meant hours in spreadsheets, chasing links, and checking who posted what. With UpPromote, that all moves into one dashboard, so you can see what is working instead of guessing. And because it is native to Shopify, your store data never has to leave Shopify's secure environment, which keeps everything fast and safe. Open UpPromote from your Shopify admin, and if you want to build this along with me, install it using my link in the description, which also gets you 20% off. Quick heads up, this video is a paid partnership with UpPromote, and that is my affiliate link, so I may earn a commission if you use it, at no extra cost to you. Now create a new program. I will call this one Creator Program, because it is made for influencers and content creators. Turn it on and add a short description, since this is what creators see when they join. Then set the commission, which is what each creator earns per sale. I will choose the percentage of sale and pick a rate, for example between 10 and 15%. For influencers, a small discount for their audience makes a big difference, so I will also turn on an automatic customer discount. When someone buys through a creator's link, the customer gets money off automatically. This gives the creator a real reason for people to use their link, instead of just searching for your store and buying directly. Creators promote in a lot of different places, so you want to track all of them. Every creator gets a personal link for their blog, email, or YouTube description, and a personal coupon code for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and podcasts, where you cannot add a clickable link. To stop those codes from leaking onto coupon sites, turn on the anti-leak discount. The customer still gets their discount automatically, but there is no public code to steal, so only the real creator gets credit for the sale. Creators promote more when you make it easy for them, so give them the right tools. In the motivation section, you can upload a media gallery of images, banners, and short video clips, so creators can grab on-brand assets without emailing you every time. You can also set up coupons and even gifts to keep them active, and you can message your creators directly from the dashboard, so when you launch a new product or run a sale, you can tell your whole group in one place and keep them promoting. Here is the part most store owners skip, and it is the difference between a creator promoting you once and promoting you for a long time. Treat your creators like insiders, not strangers. UpPromote lets you build bonus tiers, so a creator who brings, for example, 20 sales in a month earns an extra bonus on top of their normal commission. You can add leaderboards, early access to new products, and monthly rewards. These small touches turn a single post into an ongoing partnership. So where do you find these creators? The best place to start is not big influencers, it is the customers who already love you. Inside UpPromote, you can invite existing customers to become affiliates, or add your sign-up link to your thank you page and your post-purchase emails, so a happy customer becomes a promoter right after they buy. You can also list your program on the UpPromote marketplace, where creators browse and apply to join you on their own. And when you are ready to go out and find brand new influencers, UpPromote has a built-in creator discovery tool. Right inside the app, you can search creators on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, filter by niche, follower count, engagement rate, and audience location, and open a full report on their audience demographics, growth, and even a fake follower estimate before you ever reach out. So instead of guessing who is worth partnering with, you are choosing the right creators based on real data, saving your favorites to a list, and then inviting them straight into your program. And if you want to follow along on your own store, remember you can install UpPromote through my link in the description to get 20% off. One more thing worth setting up is how you approve creators. You can auto-approve people so they start promoting right away, or review each application first if you want to keep the group high quality and on brand. For a creator program, I usually review applications because a smaller group of the right people will almost always outperform a large group of the wrong ones. And this is not only for small stores. More than 3,500 Shopify Plus brands, some of them doing millions in sales, run their creator and affiliate programs on UpPromote, and it tracked over $1 billion in sales in a single year. It is built to handle every stage of growth, from your first creator to a network of thousands. So that is a full influencer marketing program on Shopify. You set the rules once, give creators their links and their assets, and then real people promote your products while you focus on running your store. If you want to build this yourself, use my link in the description and the pinned comment to install UpPromote, and your 20% discount is applied automatically. Thanks to UpPromote for sponsoring, and if this was useful, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.